So in today's video, I'm going to unbox my hot air blower, or the single hot air blower, or a gun blower. That is what we are going to do in today's video. If you haven't subscribed to the channel, try and do that. What you are seeing on the screen there is what we call the hot air blower. So in today's video, I will be showing you how I do the unboxing of it. So listen attentively to learn more. So that is the hot air blower. So I'm opening it. Yes, I've already opened it up. Here is the manual. There are instructions there on how to use the equipment. That is the hot air blower. That is it. Yeah, that's a hot air blower. Yeah, that's a hot air blower. Yeah. That is the nozzle. Okay, that is the turbine generator, or the holder there. Yeah, that is the nozzle. We have different nozzle in this hot air blower. Yeah, we have the small, the medium, and the big, depending on what we are using it for. And those are the screw at the corner there. Here is the screwdriver holding that turbine generator. Yes, that is the screw. Yeah, that one is the screw. The screw and the nut used and tighten it. That is a hot air blower. Yeah, that is the air regulator. The second one is the heat regulator, the heater regulator, used in reducing or hiding the heat when you are using it. Yeah, so I'm fixing the nozzle of that hot air blower. I've already tied the screw. So when I fix it, so now let's plug it and test run it. But if I plug it, you see the switch at the hand of that. Yeah, the I is the on, the O is the off. So that is the heat regulator. Then this one is the air regulator. So I've on it. Yeah. Then when you on it, you leave it for some time to hot a little bit. Then you can either adjust the air regulator or the heat regulator. So depending on what you are using it for, either it's removing IC, removing charging point, or doing other work in a mobile phone. So that is how I usually use it, to heat out a charging point. Yeah. Thank you guys for sticking with me to the end of the video. That's just a simple way on how I do the unboxing of my hot air blower. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Thanks for sticking with me to the end of the video. See you in my next video. Bye.